The slogan on the jQuery website really says it all. Write less, do more. jQuery is a JavaScript library that's designed to remove the complexity of writing scripts that work reliably cross-browser. It's not a library in the sense that there are rows and rows of books, or even a website where you go hunting for scripts to add interactive features to your web pages. It's simply a JavaScript file that you attach to your web pages to make writing your own scripts much simpler. You download the file from the jQuery website by clicking this link. The production and development versions contain exactly the same code. The only difference is that the production version has all the white space removed to reduce the size of the file that's downloaded whenever someone visits your site. Let's download the development version. As you can see, it's a collection of JavaScript functions. Although the code in this file is complicated, you don't need to worry about it. Writing your own jQuery code is much simpler. jQuery isn't the only JavaScript library available. One of the earliest to be developed was the Dojo toolkit, which is highly regarded and used by leading companies. It was followed soon after by Prototype, which concentrated on the nuts and bolts of dealing with JavaScript. Prototype is frequently used in conjunction with Scriptaculous, which handles a lot of fancy interactivity. MooTools is another JavaScript library that's attracted a lot of attention. So with all these JavaScript libraries to choose from, why pick jQuery? This survey by w3text.com provides a pretty convincing answer. More than 3 out of every 4 websites that use a JavaScript library have settled on jQuery. They include big names like Bank of America, Amazon.com and the BBC. So why is it so popular? For a start, jQuery is very efficient. It's also relatively easy to learn. Here's a simple example of the type of interactivity that can be created with jQuery. If I turn on Live View, you see that the paragraphs have disappeared, and clicking on the heading toggles a paragraph open and closed and changes the direction of the arrow. There are no links in the headings, and there's no JavaScript markup in the HTML. All the code is down here at the bottom. This is the link to the jQuery library. And these 11 lines of script do all the interactivity. Compare it with this page, which does exactly the same thing, but using standard JavaScript. The code is 4 times longer than the jQuery version. The jQuery code is not only shorter, it uses CSS selectors, leveraging your existing skills as a web designer. Dreamweaver CS5 has full code hinting for jQuery, speeding up both the learning process and the development time.